So now you would know about this thing called an IP address. There's another term that is associated with TCP/IP that you need to know about to create a good foundation for understanding Modbus TCP/IP, and that thing is called a port. Now, when I say port in reference to TCP/IP, I'm not talking about a physical communications port as in the case of RS-485 or RS-232. A port or network port is a number that is usually found along with an IP address. It can best be explained with an example using a computer connected to a TCP/IP network. So let's go to that example now. So let's say that on this computer there are 3 applications running, as you can see. There's Outlook, Skype, and Chrome. And this computer will have only one IP address, which in this case I've just chosen 192.168.10.3 arbitrarily. All right. Now what happens next, let's say, is that a data packet enters through the network port and has to go to one of the applications. So that's my packet there. But which one does it go to? The system can't tell using just the IP address because all 3 applications reside on the same computer, hence the same IP address of 192.168.10.3. So again, which application does the packet go to? Well, this is where the port number comes in. Each application will have its own unique port number, and it's just a number, that's all. It's a unique identifier. In this case, I've chosen 64 for Outlook, 35 for Skype, and 106 for Chrome browser. This could be different. I'm just choosing numbers arbitrarily, okay? Now, the packet that comes in will have a destination port embedded in it in addition to the IP address. So it will have the IP address like this, and it will also have the destination port it's supposed to go to. So TCP/IP in this case will use the destination port number to route the packet to the appropriate application within this computer. In this case, it's the Skype. Because if a Skype packet goes to a Chrome browser or Microsoft Outlook, neither application will know what the heck to do with it. Only Skype can interpret Skype packets, right? So every application must have a port number as a unique identifier within a specific IP address. They must use that port, they must send packets through a particular port number, and they must receive packets through a particular port number. The assignments of those port numbers, some of them are dynamic, some of them are like, for instance, like for applications like FTP and Telnet and so on, they are sort of standardized, right? So it could be, the main thing is that you know that port numbers, these port numbers here are very, very important, and we'll actually switch eventually to Modbus TCP/IP and look at how the port numbers are used for the Modbus application. All right, so we're going to do that next.